Watch me now. Let me withdraw this 2.7 USDT. Now this is free money. I'm going to withdraw this for complete 365 days. So if I want to withdraw this money now, all I need to do is just to click on me here, and if you can see I have 2.7 USDT here, which I'm going to withdraw to my wallet address in this place. Now I can withdraw it direct to my bank account. So I've earned this money in this site, and I'm going to withdraw for 365 days. So if I want to withdraw this money now, I'll just click on withdraw in this place. If I click on withdraw, since I have $2.7, I'll just click on withdraw, and in this place, this is where I'm going to paste my wallet address, and I'm going to go to my exchange now and copy my wallet address. So this is my gate.io. I'll come here now and click on on-chain deposit USDT wallet address. So this is TRC20 USDT wallet address. I will select TRC20 wallet address and click on the copy address. So I'll come back to this platform now and paste the address which I have copied and put the amount I want to withdraw, which is 2.7 USDT. So I'll put it here, 2.7 USDT. So I'll come down here and put my security password and put my Telegram channel, and I'll click on withdraw. And once I click on withdraw and confirm now, you see I'm going to withdraw this to my money. This is withdraw successful. So I'll go back to my exchange now and check if this money has been deposited to my wallet. So I'm going to my gate.io. So you see what I have here is 1.39 USDT. So I'll refresh. So you see I've received this money, $4 now in my wallet. So I'm going to withdraw this for 365 days. This is awesome. So if you want to register now, just click on the link in the description of this video and click on here. It will take you to this page. You just put your email address, create your password. Once you finish creating your password, just put a security password which you'll be using to withdraw your money in this platform. So once you are done, come down and click on register. So this is register down here. Click on register and it will take you straight to this platform, because once you click here on this place, you have registered automatically, right? And you start making money. So once you register, it will take you to this phase. So just click on close, and this place will close, right? So once you register now, you want to start making money on this platform, just come to me. You see I already have 15 USDT in my wallet here. Look at it up here, $15 in my wallet. So I'll just come here and click on quantify down here. So when I click on quantify, I'm going to see this place. I will click on this Bitcoin here I'll start quantifying. So it's going to read now. After reading now, it's going to give me the money I'm going to withdraw. I'll allow it to load. So once it finishes loading, I see $2.7, which is the money I will draw to my wallet. So once you register in this platform now, you can start earning immediately in this platform. So there are different ways you can earn from this platform, right? You can make a whole lot of money from this platform. So once you finish registering now, in this place there are different levels which you can earn in this place. So if you come here now, you see we have, there is VIP 0 in this place, and in VIP 0 you are going to earn nothing, and you need nothing to unlock VIP 0. So there is VIP 1 here, and in VIP 1 you need 15 USDT to unlock VIP 1, and in this VIP 1 you'll be earning $2.7 every day for complete 365 days, right? So this is the current level I am. I'll be withdrawing $2.7 every day for complete 365 days. I just deposited 15 USDT. So if you want to be earning more in this place, you unlock VIP 2, which you need 200 USDT to unlock, and will be earning 19% of your 200 USDT every day for complete 365 days. And this is awesome. Same thing happens to VIP 3. So if you need VIP 3, you need 500 USDT to unlock VIP 3, and you'll be earning 20% of your 500 USDT for complete 365 days. There is VIP 4, you need 2000 USDT to unlock VIP 4, and you'll be earning 21% of your $2,000 every day for complete 365 days. So me that is in level 1, earning 2.7 USDT with just my 15 USDT. I'm going to earn it for complete 365 days. So if you multiply 2.7 USDT by 365 days, you see you are going to be making over 1000 USDT with just 15 USDT, and this is awesome. And the higher the level, the higher the amount of money you'll be earning from each levels. So any of the levels you want to unlock, just go ahead and click on home. So when you click on home, come here, So when you click on home, just come here and recharge your wallet, right? So if you want to recharge your wallet, just click on that recharge. Copy this wallet address. If you copy this wallet address now, you're going to come down here and see, please do not recharge with other non-tails 20 USDT assets. The deposit will be credited to your account in approximately 1 to 3 minutes after recharging. So any amount you want to recharge in your wallet, or any of the levels you want to unlock, just deposit that amount of money in your wallet using that wallet address, and come here and click any of the levels to unlock it. Let's assume you want to unlock it straight. You can just click on it like this. You see recharge automatically unlocks 485 USDT. So you can just click on confirm and it will take you to this place where you copy this wallet address, copy it, transfer USDT 20 to this wallet address, and you'll be credited within 1 to 3 minutes and you are already done. So you follow the step I showed you. Every day I'm going to be clicking on this thing every day, and it will load. Every day you click on it, you will withdraw. So it will load for complete 24 hours. You can see my own is still loading because I've done my own tax for today. So I've quantified for today, so I've withdrawn, and I'll be doing it every 24 hours, and I'll be drawing every 24 hours to my wallet address. So if you want to earn, you can earn from service, you can earn from referring your friends. So if you want to earn more, you can refer your friends to earn more. So if you want to refer your friends, just go to this home. See, this is recharge, where you can recharge your wallet. This is withdraw, where you can withdraw your money. So this is download the app. If you need the app, you can just click on this place to download the app. So if you want to invite your friends, you can click on this place to invite your friends, and you'll be earning 10% of every referral you have in this place, right? So if you want to refer a friend, just copy this referral link here. This is your referral link. Copy it and send to your friends. Every friend you refer to this platform will be earning 10% of the first person's referral. So if the person refers another person, you're going to be earning 3%, and if the person refers another person, you'll be earning 1%. So this is awesome, and this is a nice place where you can start making money for yourself. Just rush now and click on the link in the description of this video and get registered quickly now and start making money for yourself. But guys, don't forget to do your own research. Everything about making money online are all risky. You need to do your own research before investing your money in anything. Make money online. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button, so as each time I upload some videos like this, YouTube will always get notified. Thanks guys for watching. See you in the next video. Peace out.